In the past few years, I've probably been asked 100 times or more, when will you finally offer a small, useful, and practical device that uses your silicon graphite power cells? Well, this new bonus offer is somewhat similar to our last promotional, except with this one you'll receive a free premium, one-of-a-kind hybrid mobile device charger that you can use every day. If you purchase our complete library of assembly manuals, which there's 7 manuals in there. We made 7 different machines and kit machines, and all 7 of those are included in this library. And if you buy it today at a very low temporary cost reduction, you'll receive this premium hybrid solar lunar graphite mobile charger absolutely free. You only pay for shipping. So here in the US, select UPS ground, it'll be cheaper, and for international deliveries, we always use DHL, and whatever the going rate is on that, and it's not too bad either. This unique hybrid mobile charging device is unlike anything else that you can buy. It incorporates 3 different technologies. One, solar panel for energy conversion, that's pretty common. One 3-piece graphite power cell module for energy conversion, that's not common at all. And of course, then you've got the lithium batteries for storage that deliver up to 10 watt maximum here at this USB port for devices that are capable of faster charging. It's pretty nice. There's a power switch here. You hit the switch, green light comes on, tells you got plenty of storage in here to charge your devices. And during the daytime, the solar panel, the graphite cells, and the batteries all work simultaneously and go to this port. And at night, you're probably wondering, let me just throw this in here, you're probably wondering why the word lunar is used in the title. Well, the solar panel and the graphite cell modules charge lithiums during the day, but while only the graphite will charge these batteries at night. There's a blocking diode here, and there's a blocking diode on these, so the batteries cannot feed back to either one of those, but at night this is allowed to feed these batteries and continually charge them, and no other device can do that without the solar panel. And some of those chargers that have just a solar panel in the front and they got a bunch of batteries inside, it must take 2 or 3 days to charge those batteries with a little solar panel. So to have the solar panel and to have the graphite cells, you're going to do pretty well with this. Interesting point I wanted to also mention is that I've mentioned in previous videos that the graphite cells are both thermally conductive and electrically conductive, highly actually in both. And so I've shown when these are out in the sun that when you put a multimeter on it, the power actually begins to rise. The voltage rises, your current will come up. And with this little solar panel on top, even though there's an air gap between the graphite cells and the solar panel, there's still some heat, and these things suck that heat down like a heat sink. And once they do, then the output increases in that, and the whole thing becomes more efficient. This unit in the promo does not come with the lithium batteries due to strict airline regulations and other shipping issues. Sorry about that, but you know, it's just one of those things, and they just make it very, very difficult for us. So you have to buy them locally. They're easy to find. You can get them on Amazon or eBay. They're like $2 or less each, so it's not like they're expensive. I'll post a couple of links on the website and help you out on that. But then when you get it, you just pop off the top. The panel's mounted to the lid, pretty nice, and just insert your batteries in here. And you might want to give, if you got a little charger or a smart charger or something, you might want to charge those up ahead of time before you put them in, so you give them a really good solid initial charge and then let this system do it for all the rest of their life. So, and snap that lid back on, bam, and you are ready to rock. So just go to the main page of our website at, if you're interested in this promo, at quantummagneticstore.com, and click on the promo at the top with a picture of this charger. And we're not making very many of these, so really don't wait too long or the offer is just going to expire on you. And we'll see you there. And again, hey, enjoy.